Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. And so I'm out here at Wisoming Park, and I'm out here to have some Traxxas fun, guys. So I'm out here with my Traxxas XMaxx and my Traxxas Aton. So my biggest quad is from Traxxas, as well as my favorite quad. That's my favorite quad, line of sight. And my biggest land vehicle is also from Traxxas, the Traxxas XMaxx. My kids are running by having fun. They're out here having fun, and I'm out here to have fun too. I also brought the Alias out here because I just wanted to show these two side by side. The Traxxas Aton and the Traxxas Alias. Traxxas is a sister company, or maybe we should say daughter company of Traxxas. They're under Traxxas, and so these two guys are very similar in flight modes and all. It has almost all, I think it has exactly the same flight modes and all, and the transmitters even look identical, just about, except for the GPS stuff on the Traxxas one. So you have the home position and all of that stuff on the Traxxas one. The Traxxas one is exactly the same minus those two, and with an added yaw trim here. So we have yaw trim, and we also have rubber grips on the thumb pads here. No rubber grips on these, but you can swap them, though the same. And so the Traxxas Alias is the brushed version of the Traxxas Aton. We're losing the sun. The sun is starting to go down, so we're gonna hurry up and get these guys going. I think I might let my son drive this a little. Maybe the fire team. I got the fire team out here as well, still in the truck. So let's get it. Okay, Dreesy. You want to drive the XMaxx a little?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's go. I'm gonna let you drive the XMaxx a little. It's 8S, okay? So this thing is really fast right now. So you're gonna keep it out there. Don't run it into none of the. You'll keep it away from them, okay? What? Okay. They can be in the woods. Okay, so let's get this guy on. Give me the transmitter.
Okay.
Before you be done. Did a hot start on me and got me jacked up. And this guy on.
Whoa.
It always does that. That's why I wanted to take the transmitter in case you did that to me. Okay, let me see it. Okay, hold on. Get away from him. Don't go near it, Adam. This thing will knock you down. I think it's a little muddy out here too. I should tone it down for you because last time you ran somebody over. Go ahead. Keep it away from Adam. Don't bring it near him. Come here, Adam. Adam. Get away from that car before it hurts you. Get over here and sit down. Sit right there. Don't run it into us either, please. Oh, you almost flipped it. Don't run it into me. Don't run me over. Go ahead, Willie. Sheesh, you're going to run us over. Go ahead, you can ride it around that. Gotta monitor this guy. Sheesh, look at that airplane right there. Real close. On the sand, there's no sand. Where you see sand? Don't crash it into the gate. You know how to turn, Idris.
Oh, right here on sand.
See if you can make it flip over frontwards. Drive fast forward and then put on the brakes. Put on the brakes. That was awesome. Try it again. Oh, you did. Oh, the wheel came off. Sheesh. What happened? That's the end of the fun with this guy for now. Check it out. The wheel has come unglued. I got to take this thing home and glue the wheel back on. So time for some eating fun. Okay, so we're ready to go. Let me put this guy in sport mode. So we're in sport mode with this thing. Stop the screaming, Imani. My kid's screaming. Go back, Adam. Go back, Adam. Adam, go back. I'm not going anywhere. I'm staying right here in the middle. Go ahead back with them. Do some passes. You would think that little kids would be scared of this thing. Seems a little intimidating. Maybe they don't know any better. Give myself a haircut. Sheesh, the sun is blinding me that way. Gotta try to remember not to fly it that way. Bring this guy in close. You guys see it a little bit. I can see the lights a little bit because the sun is going down. I don't know if you guys can see the lights on it. It looks awesome though with those green lights in the back. I think so anyhow. Idris, where's... Oh, I see them. I was going to ask him where the rest of the kids at. I ain't see them over there. There's the funnel. I think I'm going to do a little acro with this guy. See if I can get it in acro mode. Okay, we're in acro mode, I think. Yeah, we're in acro. What? The sun blinds me every time I get on that side. Check it out. So this guy also has GPS, a GPS mode. I hardly ever fly it in GPS mode. This is the GPS mode right here. So check it out. It stays spot on in the spot it's supposed to too. So GPS is done well with this thing. This thing is my absolute favorite drone to fly for sporty flying. It's in what they call film mode right now. And so it beeps to let you know if it's not fully centered. If it's going up a little or if it's going down a little, it'll be beeping to let you know. But check this guy out. Super stable. I got it up, going up a little. There you go. Super stable. Stays in one spot. You would think that this thing maybe had an optical sensor or something. It flies around pretty slow in GPS mode, aka film mode. So no fun for me. You can add a camera to this thing. It has a, I think, a 3-axis gimbal or whatnot. And so I'm back in sport mode with it. My favorite mode to fly it in is sport mode. It's a little difficult than like a race drone to fly this in acro because it's true acro. There's no air mode or anything like that. Although the props continue to spin when you go to 0 throttle, but you don't have any control over the drone at 0 throttle. So it's kind of hard to really do flips and maneuvers and all, because if you put the throttle to 0 throttle, it'll just fall flat, you know. It doesn't have any control. So you have to remember not to take throttle all the way to 0 when you're flying at acro and doing flips and stuff. I wish Traxxas would have come up with an update that could change that. As far as I know, they haven't done it. I never upgraded this thing. I never updated the firmware or anything like that. Don't fall on the ground. The mud it's muddy. It's wet. And don't come over here. This thing is big. Stay over there. My kids are so silly sometimes, but they hardly ever get out here though. Just doing spirals with it. Look at some flips. This thing actually does diagonal flips just like the Traxxas Alias. Check it out. Forward flip. Let's try a diagonal. Did a side flip. Let's try it again. Sheesh, is it me or is it? Let me try it one more time. There we go. Okay, so it was me. Whoop, can't fly that direction. The sun is over there. Let's try a diagonal flip again. Here we go. Hopefully you guys saw it. Let's try it again. There we go. Wow, at the sun again. Keep forgetting. So I don't want this video to be too long. This thing will fly for a long time. The car tapped out by the technical difficulty of the wheel. Let me bring this guy in. Traxxas Aton. My first flight video of the new year, along with my favorite ground vehicle from Traxxas, the Traxxas XMaxx, over there somewhere. Thanks for watching.